Enabling two-factor authentication on Grubhub adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Grubhub website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this section to access security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Toggle the setting to enable it and follow any prompts to set it up, which may include verifying your phone number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that two-factor authentication is now active. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Grubhub account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated in case you need to regain access in the future.